environmental crises. The urgency for sustainable solutions has never been greater. Each year, approximately 300 million tons of plastic are produced globally, yet a staggering 91% of plastic waste is not recycled. At Lension Group, we recognize this pressing issue and are dedicated to leading the charge in sustainable packaging.
Ecolefin is designed to address the challenges of traditional plastic packaging. It is a mono-material packaging consisting of only polyethylene, and it does not compromise on the packaging's integrity. The barrier properties such as oxygen and water vapor transmission rate are superior compared to the traditional plastic packaging. It is 98% recyclable according to the EN 13430 standard. This makes Ecolefin much easier to process in existing recycling streams. We have also conducted LCA to evaluate the environmental impact of our product across its entire life cycle. The result shows that Ecolefin outperforms traditional packaging in every impact category, offering a more sustainable solution.
Our eco-product range includes biodegradable bags and compostable bags, which break down under specific conditions, helping to minimize long-term pollution. Our post-consumer recycled PCR reusable bags are made from recycled materials, reducing the reliance on virgin petrochemicals and promoting responsible consumption. Our green efforts extend beyond product innovation. Our in-house recycling initiatives reflect our commitment to minimizing environmental impact. Besides, we have installed solar panels to harness renewable energy. Our printing machines and lamination processes use gas technology to reduce emissions while delivering high-quality output. Lension Group's dedication to sustainability has garnered recognition through various certifications and awards, which include FSSC 22000, ISO 9001, GMP, HACCP, and ISO 14001.
Over the years, Lension Group has evolved into a key player in the packaging industry. We specialize in both flexible packaging and general packaging solutions to meet the diverse needs of our customers. This allows us to provide tailored solutions that deliver both quality and efficiency for different industries. Our expertise extends across various manufacturing processes, including zone extrusion, printing, lamination, platforming, and sleeving.
As we look ahead, Lension Group committed to leaving a greener footprint and printing a sustainable legacy for future generations. Together with our talented team and valued partners, we are printing a sustainable legacy for future generations.